Hello guys, welcome back to Appsheet tutorial. So today we're going to see about how to schedule reminder notifications, right? So in a daily basis, we are going to send a notification, like a reminder kind of thing, if they have any task they maybe like if in office there are some few employees, they have some daily task, or some people have that task, some people don't have task. Based on that condition, we are going to send the notification. So before that, thank you guys for supporting this channel, and if you are new to this channel, just hit the subscribe and bell icon to get the daily updates. And before we going to start, let's check out the comments of previous videos. So in our previous video, we saw how to use the gallery view in Appsheet. So if you want to skip this comments discussion, you just use the below timestamps to get directly to the today's topic of sending reminders. So Lucky Sana commented, thanks bro for beautiful videos app sheet. Can you solve one issue? Please generate image or PDF link in Google Sheet like Google Form. Okay, so please generate image or PDF link. Okay, so yeah, hi Latisha. So I understand your problem. So you mean you want this invoice file should be generated as a link to open directly, right? Yes, we can do that. So I'll just show you how to make it. Uh, First we'll go Google out Appsheet images and documents. So here, so now before that, first we'll add a new column for this. So if you are new to this channel, just check out the previous link which have how to generate invoice for a particular bill and get opening that particular PDF. So I'll just give the top link, just check out. Yeah, so this in this app sheet displaying images and documents, we have one of the formula to generate the okay, just scroll down. Yeah, so if you follow this documentation, you'll get how to. I'll just give this link in the below description. So, and I'll show the demo also. So the main thing is this formula which you are going to use. Okay, so here this concatenate https appsheet.com template table file, and this context and this and all same. Only thing we have to change this the file name which you are going to use for this. Okay, so just copy and just give the link below, and we'll create a new column called invoice link. Just making it as bold. From here just go data invoice bill and regenerate. Okay, so once we regenerate, the invoice link came here, and for this invoice file path we have used already automation in the previous video, so we'll just use that same thing or copy paste this file path. So I'll just show how. So previously we have used this invoice file path to generate that file path, which will possible only to open through the app sheet. But if you want to open externally from the app sheet, so just follow this guidelines. And important thing, you have to go to security and just disable this secure PDF access, secure image access, which I have already done. So in this security, so I'll just show you the options, security options. So I just already switched off. I'll just switch it on. What's happening? The PDF image and require image and file URL side. Okay, so I'll just switch it on. What does it means is, so if you switch on, it will enforce the app security for PDF access. So which means enabling this option will block PDF rendering outside the app. So what it means is, so you can't able to open, I guess. So let's check it out. When we switch on this all, and then it's got handle. She got started. Let's just refresh. And just refresh. I think Appsheet got stuck. So I need to just close it. Okay, just open it again. Nice. So yeah, I all switched on, and in the automation, in the file path, select this and add the, which we already added, the column invoice link. Here you just copy paste this formula, this expression. Okay, just pasting, and only thing we need to change this column, right? So as they mentioned, replace image of file column with the name of the column containing the image of file name, not the relative path. So you need to understand, this is the important part. The relative path, or the, if you are uploading any image, use that image column, or if you are uploading any file, you are use. But we are going to generate the PDF, right? So we have to use the relative path, which means we have already fixed it. Here, this is the relative path. So in this app sheet, inside the data folder, inside this folder invoices, we are generating this PDF file. We just copy and paste it here. Okay, instead of image file column, we're just copying this part. Okay, so fine, and this I'll just explain. So this is a normal HTTPS. This is a basic URL, and encode context app name. This context app name will give the app file name. Okay, this invoice app dash 44 something. See this one, this invoice app, which means the context of app name, current app name, and this context table will give. So this automation runs on this particular table called invoice bill. So it will give automatically this context of this table. Okay. So the finally this concatenation will give the link, and we are storing in this column. Okay. So I'll just save this, and then save. So now we'll just generate one new bill. We'll check it out. Invoice bill. Now the new bill. Okay, the invoice link will be generated automatically. Okay, so I'm just adding two products for example, and then we'll just generate invoice. Will sync. So here, once sync done, the link will generate here. Okay, it's generating. Whatever. Link not came here. Why the link is not generated? Let's check the automation. Why the file path is not generated? Link. We'll just delete this. We'll test again. It's not generating. I'll just remove this and we'll generate invoice again. Still it's not generating. Okay, maybe, yeah, the security access may be a problem. So we'll just go to security options and disable this. Okay, if you open, it will open, but we want to generate the invoice link. Okay. So we will go to security and options. So PDF we are generating. Enable security. Just switch off the security image access. Require image and file you are assigned. Okay. So these three all switched off and save. I'll just delete again and we'll generate invoice again. Yeah, now see the invoice link generated. So this is the guideline they have given. So if we switch off the security access only, it's enabling the generation of the link. Okay. So this is the concatenation part which we have done. Get table file your app name, see the app name, and the table name is automatically there, and this app sheet related part. So if I click this, the same will is generated. Okay, so in this way, so main thing, we have to switch off the security and just use this formula and change this column with, with respect to your column. Okay, so I'll just give this document link in the description. You can follow, and yeah, so thanks for the comment, Akisan. If you find useful, just give a comment. And let's move on to the next topic called how to send a reminder based on the particular task or the person. Okay, so we'll just create a new sheet using so reminder. So in the reminder, we are going to, let's say, user email. So this is the key value which we are going to use, to whom we are going to send the notifications, and the task name. Okay, user email, task name, and particular date. Okay, so user email, task name, and date. So based on this, we are going to send a notification, like a reminder, if the person current today has any task. Okay. So now in this, we are going to add this table. Just a new table invoice. Select okay the reminder. Okay, so I have added this table. Now we'll just add some persons of different not like some task we're going to add here, particular person. So just create one UX for just like reminder. Yes. Okay. Now we'll just add a user mail. Let's add myself, task name, create video. I'm just going to give tomorrow date. Okay, and we'll add another reminder for the person, which is my another email ID, task name, upload video. Okay, so maybe like so this is tomorrow actually. Create video should be today. Let's edit this. So today I'm creating a video, uploading videos tomorrow. Okay, so I have created two tasks in this. So one is for today's task and this tomorrow. This is different person, right? So we are going to send a reminder in a scheduled way. So in this automation, we will create a new bot. This just reminder configure event. Event should be so custom event and should be schedule. Schedule, right? So schedule means we are going to schedule daily, and let's say time zone. I'm just setting Indian Standard Time, say morning 8 a.m. Okay, so this scheduled task will run daily morning 8 a.m. in the Indian Standard Time Zone for each row in table. Okay, this we need to enable because we are going to check all the users and we are going to send it. Okay, so now the important thing is the filter condition. So what should be the filter condition is like the columns which we are using here. Oh, sorry, the table we need to change is to reminder. Now this column should be this date. Okay, so date should be today, right? So this is the condition. So this task, this bot will run daily, but whatever the task for the particular date, then only we are going to send it notification to that particular user. Okay, so today means so this is today, but for this user we are not going to send a notification because that date is tomorrow. So that's why we are going to use this filter condition. Okay, and once we save, and then we add a step what we are going to do. So this is the setup of the schedule, reminder scheduling, and just create a new step for process 2. This task will be create a new task, send a notification. Okay, so this is the task and 2 should be that respective person, right? So we are not going to use the text, so instead of that we'll just use the column value of that user email. So user email should be, this is the email ID which they are going to log in using their app. So from this, it will identify to whom we need to send. It's like a email sending only, but we are going to send notification instead of email. Okay. So then we'll send notification, reminder user email, and the content. Let's say use default content because of default content. Maybe it's generate. I guess it will generate task name. Okay. So let's save this. In this way, we will send a daily notification based on this filter condition of that particular day task. Now, how are we going to test this? Yes, just test run. Okay. But we can't able to test this now, maybe because of we have used we're using this in the laptop. So the push notifications will work if you install this app in mobile. then just run this task. You can able to test. We will try it out in the browser, but I don't think it will work. No, it's not working. Yeah, so it's not work. So this is an example. So if you want to test, just use your mobile and install this app by this user's links. So this is an install link, right? So allow mobile users to install the app on the device. Just use this and run the test case. I mean, this run, then you will get the particular notification of that user ID. Try to log in with the different users of different mail IDs so that you can make sure your robot is working fine. Okay. So thanks for watching. So if you like this video, just like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, just leave a comment. And thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.